Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Expensify for tax-ready receipt organization, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Expensify download into the search bar and hit enter. In the search results, look for the official Expensify website and click on it. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the download process. You will be prompted to choose your platform, either for desktop or mobile. If you are using a desktop, select the appropriate operating system, such as Windows. For mobile users, click on either the App Store or Google Play link. If you selected desktop, you will see a download link. Click the link to start downloading the application. If you chose mobile, follow the prompts to download the app from your device's store. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder for desktop. For mobile, find the app icon on your home screen. If you are on a desktop, double-click the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the Expensify app on your desktop or mobile device. You will need to sign in or create an account if you are a new user. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the receipt scanning feature to start organizing your tax-ready receipts. You can either upload files or use your camera to take pictures of receipts directly. Expensify will automatically extract key information from each receipt. Review the extracted information for accuracy. Categorize your receipts according to your needs for easier tracking. Explore additional features, like expense reporting or integration with accounting software. Regularly check your receipt organization to keep everything tax-ready. With these steps, you will have successfully downloaded and set up Expensify for efficient receipt management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.